I think it's quiet enough this 4th of July weekend where the fireworks have stopped, so it's quiet, so let's talk. Alright, briefly for this weekly wrap up, about a week or so, 10 days ago, a good friend of mine, a good YouTube friend of mine, Bruce Naylor, also you might know him as the Frugal Tech, very insightful video, being a YouTuber when passion isn't enough. It is a 21-minute video. I encourage you to take a listen to it. It talks about the passion and the business of doing YouTube. Very insightful. Check it out. And I will probably do a follow-up to this. All right, a couple other things. This week you may have caught the news where Google may build their own phone, a true 100% Google phone. I think it's time. I am tired of having cell phones or having HTC One Max, a terrific phone with the best speakers on the market, still running outdated Android software. And I think Google can fix that. Now, somebody asked about what does Google have to do with battery performance. Well, if they have total control over their phone, maybe they can improve battery performance. Although I will say battery technology hasn't changed much in the last 20 years, so it's time that we have another breakthrough in battery performance. Okay, what else do I have here? You may have read, or maybe not, that Dell is going to release a bunch of new Steam machines, and AMD is going to release Linux drivers for its new GPUs. Let's face it, when it comes to Linux, sometimes video drivers, some of them at least, just don't work very well. And let's see, you may have heard that the next Ubuntu 16.10 called Yakety Yak, it will still run the Unity 7 desktop. I know it's what, 5-6 years with the same looking desktop environment. Honestly, I don't mind as long as it's stable and it works like this. Ubuntu 16.04, I am quite happy. Now I know some of you are probably going to say that Ubuntu 16.04 is not that great, and I would believe you. Hence the unpredictability of at least some of the Linux desktops depending on your hardware. And finally, this past week, interesting story, a lady won a settlement against Microsoft because she was forced to upgrade to Windows 10. She won a settlement and a new PC. So I guess it proves that the customer is always right. That's all I have for this weekly wrap-up. I'll catch you next time.